Welcome back to 360 Soft Wash. Today we have one of our repeat customers who we've been coming out to serve for years and years on end. Every time that this homeowner begins to see any green on his siding, he knows immediately who to call, and that is 360 Soft Wash. Over the years, we've been leaving him with amazing results each time with great quality, great speed, and great price. As you can see on his siding, especially on this side, it is really, really bad. And with our process, in no time at all of this green algae is gone, and it's leaving the great tan siding that you see here. One of our most frequently asked questions is, what about the plants around my house? And our technicians make sure to water the plants beforehand, and if the plants are extremely sensitive, such as a Japanese maple for example, we cover those plants and ensure their safety. At the end of the wash, we always go through with a neutralizer as well as a fertilizer mixed in to ensure your plant's safety. Oftentimes, when people just see the words house washing on their package, they think it's just the siding. But our technicians go above and beyond and make sure all the soffits and the gutters are hit as well as the siding, making sure that you're left with a clean finish. Going around, hitting all of the window sills, ensuring that your property is looking spotless by the end. This homeowner and countless others continuously call us out because of the amazing results that we produce. So why don't you join them in great company and call us to clean your home for you? And with this being the conclusion of this house washing video, please call or text 410-680-2876 for your free estimate. Bye!